A student with the right skill can earn more than a graduate with the wrong degree. That sounds unfair, but it is happening every day. Right now, students around the world are building skills that companies, clients, and businesses are willing to pay for. Not because of their age, not because of their degree, but because they can solve real problems. And if you are a student watching this, mastering just one of these skills could completely change your opportunities over the next few years. Stay until the end, because the last skill is growing faster than almost any other skill right now, and many students are already using it to create income online. So, what exactly are high-income skills? High-income skills are valuable abilities that allow you to earn money based on the value you create, not just the time you spend working. The better you become, the more opportunities you can unlock. Let us look at 6 high-income skills that students can start learning today. The first skill is copywriting. Copywriting is the ability to write words that encourage people to take action. That action could be buying a product, signing up for a service, booking a call, or clicking a link. Businesses use copywriting everywhere: websites, emails, advertisements, landing pages, and social media posts. The best part is that you can start learning for free. Study successful advertisements. Rewrite them in your own words. Practice every day. Small improvements add up quickly. The second skill is video editing. Video content is one of the most powerful forms of communication today. Creators, brands, and businesses constantly need editors who can make videos more engaging. If you can cut clips, add captions, improve audio, and keep viewers interested, you already have a valuable skill. Start with simple projects. Edit your own videos. Build a portfolio. Let your work speak for itself. The third skill is graphic design. Every business needs visuals. From logos and social media graphics to presentations and marketing materials, design is everywhere. Tools like Canva make it easier than ever to get started. But remember, good design is not just about making things look attractive. Good design helps people understand information faster and communicate ideas more clearly. The fourth skill is digital marketing. Even the best product cannot succeed if nobody knows it exists. Digital marketing helps businesses reach customers through social media, content, email marketing, and search engines. Because marketing directly affects growth, businesses are willing to invest heavily in it. Learning even the basics can lead to freelance work, internships, and valuable real-world experience. The fifth skill is coding. You do not need to become a software engineer overnight. Learning programming can help you build websites, automate tasks, create useful tools, and better understand technology. Start small. Build simple projects. Focus on steady improvement. In coding, consistency matters far more than speed. And now, the final skill: AI skills. Artificial intelligence is changing the way people work, learn, and create. Students who know how to use AI for research, content creation, productivity, and problem-solving already have an advantage. But here is what many people miss. The opportunity is not simply using AI tools. The opportunity is knowing how to combine AI with human creativity, critical thinking, communication, and decision-making. Those who can do both will be highly valuable in the future. Now, here is something important. Do not try to learn all 6 skills at the same time. Choose one. Focus on it for the next 3 to 6 months. Practice consistently. Build projects. Share your work. And most importantly, take action. Because skills are built through practice, not through watching endless tutorials. Remember this: your degree can open doors, but your skills can create opportunities. The students who invest in valuable skills today often have more freedom, more options, and a stronger future tomorrow. So, which of these high-income skills interests you the most? Copywriting, video editing, graphic design, digital marketing, coding, or AI skills? Let me know in the comments.